How to remove the front bumper of your Mustang. First, you will have these two bolts right here to your fender. Right here, right here. One of these, well, they come in two different sizes for whatever reason they decided to do that. This right here is a 932. I don't know if this will focus, but it is a 932 socket. And this one right here is a 8mm socket. Sorry if it doesn't focus. So unscrew one, then the other, then you can remove your fender a bit. Okay, with those screws removed, now you can pull out your fender. Just want to give you a little trouble, but there you go. Alright, next, I need a flashlight. No, I don't. See those two screws right there? They're obvious. What you need now is a 11mm socket. And unscrew them, and these 4 bolts are the same on each side of the car. So unscrew those. Next, you're going to have, I don't know what they call, but oh crap! I just cracked my phone. But they pop out, and there's 2 of them. You just pop these out. Already did that one. And now you unbolt the other side. And I can't believe I just cracked my phone. Oh well. One thing I forgot, come back to the fender. There's another screw. Follow that crack. And there's a screw right there. Unscrew that. Same as the other side. Sorry I missed that. Once that screws out, now it's able to come out. Now it's able to come out. Okay, now looking under the bumper. Going under the bumper. Under the fender. You'll see these little clips. If you're wondering why you can't get your bumper out, you got these little clips. When you install your bumper, it's like it snaps into place. So you gotta give it some force and pull. Just yanked it off, came off with no problem. Now you can drive it up on some ramps without your bumper ripping off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.